Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 van life gatherings in the USA that you absolutely can't miss. These gatherings are more than just meetups. They're a chance to connect with like-minded individuals and experience the true meaning of community on the open road. So buckle up and let's hit the road. First up, we're heading to the heart of Oregon for Descend on Bend. Imagine this. Hundreds of vans, all shapes and sizes, parked amongst towering pine trees. The air is buzzing with excitement, laughter, and the smell of campfires. You've got workshops on everything from solar power to van build-outs, yoga sessions overlooking breathtaking landscapes, and nightly bonfires. What truly sets Descend on Bend apart is the sense of community. It's a place where you can connect with people who understand the van life dream, share tips and tricks, and forge lasting friendships. Whether you're a seasoned van lifer or just starting, Descend on Bend welcomes you with open arms. So, if you're looking for an unforgettable van life experience, add Descend on Bend to your bucket list. Next stop, we're rolling into the rugged beauty of Utah for Vanfest USA. This gathering is all about embracing the spirit of adventure that van life embodies. Imagine yourself surrounded by towering red rock canyons, the air thick with anticipation. Vanfest USA is where the open road meets the open heart. You'll meet seasoned nomads, weekend warriors, and everyone in between, swapping stories and tips. From workshops on solar panel installation to gear demos and van tours, you'll walk away with a wealth of knowledge. So pack your bags, fuel up your van, and get ready for an epic adventure at Vanfest USA. From the rugged beauty of Utah, we're cruising down to the sunny shores of California for Tinyfest. This gathering is all about celebrating the minimalist lifestyle. Whether you're rocking a van, a tiny house on wheels, or just dreaming of downsizing, Tinyfest California is a visual feast for anyone captivated by small space living. You'll have the chance to tour a wide variety of tiny homes and vans, each one a testament to creativity and resourcefulness. It's about embracing a simpler way of life, one that prioritizes experiences over possessions. You'll find workshops on sustainable living, minimalist design, and downsizing tips. It's a place to gather inspiration, connect with others who share your passion for minimalist living, and maybe even start dreaming of your own tiny adventure. So, if you're looking to embrace minimalism, Tinyfest California is the place to be. Next stop on our van life gathering road trip, we're heading to the stunning landscapes of Idaho for Open Roads Fest. This gathering is for those who crave adventure with a side of music and good vibes. Imagine this. You're nestled in a valley surrounded by towering mountains, the air alive with the sound of live music. You'll find daily yoga sessions, gear demos, workshops on outdoor photography, and plenty of opportunities to enjoy incredible live music. Open Roads Fest is a place where you can let loose, connect with nature, and meet like-minded people. Whether you're a seasoned van lifer or just starting your journey, you'll find a welcoming community and an unforgettable experience. So, pack your camping gear, dust off your dancing shoes, and get ready to experience the magic of Open Roads Fest. Our final stop takes us on a cross-country adventure with the Van Life Diaries gatherings. These gatherings are like pop-up van life communities, popping up in different locations across the USA throughout the year. The beauty of the Van Life Diaries gatherings lies in their spontaneity and their ability to bring together van lifers from all walks of life. You'll find potluck dinners, group hikes, bonfires under the stars, and plenty of opportunities to share stories, tips, and advice with fellow adventurers. They prove that no matter where you are on your van life journey, you're never alone. So if you're looking for a way to connect with fellow van lifers, keep an eye out for the next Van Life Diaries gathering. It's a chance to experience the true meaning of community on the open road. Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let us know in the comments which van life gathering you're most excited about. These gatherings are more than just events. They're a testament to the incredible community that thrives on the open road. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.